What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a URL behind a word in Wix. So let's say I would like to add a URL behind a word, right? So I'm going to go ahead and find a word that I would like to add it to. It doesn't matter whatever it is, you can do it. So let's say it's behind the word fingerprint right here. So I would double click on the text to ensure that I select it, and then I would highlight the word that I want. As you can see, double click here. Then I would highlight the word. Once you highlight the word, you look at the top and you'll find link. You click on link. Here it says choose a link. You click on that, and here you have pages. But if you would like to set for a specific website, you can click on web address. And then I could type in whatever it is. I could type in fingerprint.com as an example, right? And so you go ahead and type that in, then click on done, and it's going to add it behind it. So once you click on done, you can see that it's highlighted, and that's it. So once my website is published, if someone will click on the word fingerprint here, it will go to fingerprint.com, right? So this is how you can add a URL behind a word in Wix.